Hey guys, what's up, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're just gonna go for it. I've already done like a flapper Gatsby type look. I've already moisturized. I moisturized with a serum from Dermalogica, which was the Phyto Replenish Oil. And I also used the Estee Lauder Day Wear Matte Oil Control Antioxidant Moisture Gel Cream, which looks like this here. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it looks like that. So since I'm gonna be using a foundation, well, I'm gonna be doing the LA Splash. I'm going to attempt to use this LA Splash foundation. I know it looks really weird probably, but it did used to match me, okay? We're gonna see if it, you know, still kind of, sort of, kind of matches me. For my foundation brush, I'm going to take the Real Techniques, I think this is the Instapop Cheek Brush, and blend that all out. And I'm just kind of going off of a picture I saw online on like Google, basically. And it's not, it's like a picture of a face chart. I'm gonna use that. But it is a really good foundation. It is super matte. It is definitely long wearing. Moving along. So for my, what you want to call this? For my eyes, I am going to take this Makeup Revolution concealer in C12, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyes. I probably just did that and forgot just that fast. I'm going to prime my eyes with this concealer, just like that. And for my eyes, I'm going to try and smoke it out really well, hopefully. And of course, I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette from the Golden Gatsby, and I'm going to try to only use the colors from this palette. Pray for me. So for my first color, I am going to try and use the color Highball, which is like a brown, like a light brown color. And I'm going to place that into my upper transition crease area. And I'm gonna blend it in all the way into my nose contour. Then I'm going to take the brown color from the palette, which is deep brown. It's called Old Fashioned. Whoa. The pigment on that bad boy. That is super pigmented. Wow. Got a little messy, but that's totally okay because nobody in the 20s was talking about blending, okay? Nobody in the 20s was talking about blending. Alright? Chill out. So for my brow color, I'm going to take the Crayon Case's Eyebrow Pomade in medium brown, and I'm going to just set that down on my lid as a base to the black color, or the black eyeshadow. So yes, of course you can use whatever little brow pomade that you have as an eye base. It works just fine. I'm gonna flip over that same brush and I'm gonna start to pack on the black eyeshadow. and it's called Speak Easy. That's pretty black too. I am not mad at this eyeshadow palette. Not mad at all. So I'm gonna go back with that old-fashioned brown shade, just a little bit on the brush, and I'm going to blend at the edges of the black so that it kind of has like a seamless change into the brown. My under eye area, I'm going to blend out the brown first and then the black eyeshadow. So again, I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow first. That is so stinking pigmented. Then I'm going to go back with the black eyeshadow. I'm gonna get even closer. I'm still going to use the black mascara, which is called the Bee's Knees mascara, which I am loving that name. It's just a dramatic black mascara, but I like the fact that it's called the Bee's Knees. When you think about it, like, they used to really dance with their knees. Yeah, it's funny. So what do I describe this mascara as? I think it's a little bit too big for my eyes, to be honest. And I would say that it is more of a lengthening. It is black. It is definitely black. What does it say on the card? It's $16 and it's an all-in-one that curls, separates, and enhances volume and lengthens lashes for a glamorous drama. I don't know about separating, sis. I don't know about separating, but did give a little bit of length. Yeah, definitely think it gave some length, but I don't know about that defining part. Not gonna say it defines. I actually want to add some more jazz to my eyes, so I'm gonna take the color Sheba in the center of my eye. It has like this little, it's like a pressed glitter pigment type of deal. Ooh. I like that. Giving myself the little halo eye minus the extra work. I like that. So there were two eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, good lord, two things of 3D faux mink lashes. I'm not gonna play it safe this time. I tend to not go for overly dramatic lashes, mainly because my eyes are so small, or I don't really have like that much like actual like lid space, and that means they just end up touching my skin on my lid. So I tend to not do too much of a dramatic look, but I'm gonna get out of my element. I'm going to wear or put on just not worried about that. There are two lashes in here. One is called Something Dream. It's like Amazing Dream or something like that. I'm not for sure. I'll have to put it down below. I'm going to link all the products to their page as well. Promise I'm going to do it. Ooh, these bad boys are have to be so dramatic. Oh my god. So I am gonna say that these to me honestly feel more synthetic than mink. They feel a little bit more synthetic than mink to me, but they definitely do look like mink lashes, to be perfectly honest with you guys. They feel more synthetic, and they have a thick band. The band is pretty thick. Pretty thick. But nothing that, you know, you guys can't work with. I want to get Botox in like my forehead. You see this? And I think I also want to take a little bit of the white eyeshadow. Ooh. Why are you so pigmented? I just don't understand why this is so pigmented like this. Like, I'm like, wow, all these shadows is pigmented as hell. For highlights, I am of course taking their Golden Gatsby Old Money palette, and I wish this was a mirror. I totally wish this was a mirror. That's cute, but I wish this was a mirror. Yeah. Ooh, this is really gold. This is like Rihanna, you know, whatever it was called, gold. Like, that's gold. So I think I'm going to mix the two of these shades. So low fallout. Okay, that is hella gold. Hella gold. So I ended up taking a little bit of the other color more and going over top of it because it is gold. It is gold. Pretty, I know, will be on like somebody of a little bit more deeper skin tone than mine. Definitely think that's gonna work. But that was definitely pigmented, definitely gold. Just a little bit too much for me. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. This color right here, Sugar. Sugar is where it's at. That little nose highlight looks like skin, like the glass stuff they've been talking about. I like that. I'm going to take this cutesy lip called Cocoa. Nope. I was. I'm gonna take the other lippy, which is called Betty. Feels good, creamy. Me like this look. Me like this look. I get a lot. So sad I gotta take it off. I think I want to add the gloss to it. It's called The Goods. Doe foot applicator. Okay. This is like a very like unique. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. LA Splash definitely, I can tell you, did their thing with this little combination of items inspired by the Golden Gatsby or the Great Gatsby. I'm not mad at this. Like, I'm not like, the palette the palette, this was the bee's knees. Like, I really like this palette. This palette was so freaking pigmented. Like, I don't know like why I wasn't expecting it to be as pigmented as it was, but it definitely, you know, excited me how pigmented the brown and that black was in the palette. Those greens, you know, take it from being like a plain neutral palette to like something should poppin'. Like, I'm really feeling the colors that they have in there. I'm definitely, like I said, feeling the payoff from the shades in there. These lipsticks, I hope that they come out with some more of these here lipsticks, because the fact that that pops out like that, it has like a little button at the top. I absolutely love that. I love the fact that it has a mirror. I'm not a big fan of trying to look into like little small mirrors like this, but it is a pretty clear, crystal clear mirror. It's not one of those little foggy like mirrors. That's bomb, but they need more colors than this, because this is bomb. Like, I love the little, you know, I don't know if I've ever had like a lipstick that just popped out like that. That is cool. I think that's worth whatever it costs. And how much did that cost? That costed $16 a standard lipstick. Whose lipstick's popping out like that? That is cute, and it has a mirror too. I think that's definitely worth the price. What else? I can't wait to use the glosses, because I think the tubing, like, they're long. They kind of remind me of one of the older lippies from MAC that had like the long tubes, or they were actually like lipsticks. They remind me of those, but I like how the actual tube from the applicator is clear. That's very unique to me. I like that. I think they really thought out this collection. I love the packaging. I love the way it came with the diamonds all in there, and all of the great Gatsby design, like, all throughout. Like, LA Splash did their thing. You guys, I don't want to keep you guys any longer. Definitely check out this collection. You guys should definitely check out this collection. If anything that you try, you should always try this eyeshadow and that one color from that palette. I didn't try all of them, but Sugar from the highlight palette is super bomb. I wish they had a mirror in it. We always can never have enough mirrors. You can never have enough mirrors, okay? The liner pen, because like 2 seconds after I swiped it, like, it was dry. It was put. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. And if you did, as always, give your girl a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video.